So in this episode, I'm going to show how to get user input. So in order to do this, use the cin function, which comes with the IOStream library. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a variable that you can read the user input into. So if it's an int variable, a char variable, or any other variable like double, float. So to get started, create a int variable, say int number, and just declare it, don't implement it. And then you're gonna do for the cin. So first, let's put a line to display so that people know what they're doing. So say enter a number. I like to put a colon and a space, and then I don't put endl after this, just so it will let you type in the number from the keyboard right after the enter a number. So to do this, you use cin. So it goes cin, and then you use the greater than brackets, two of them, and then you put the variable. So if we're to run this, so it goes enter a number, and then you can enter the number right here. So say 10. And then it reads that number into this variable. So here I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you it printing the number, or showing that it did read the number successfully. So Control F5, 10. So as you can see, it read the number in. I entered 10, and it printed 10. So the next function we're going to use to take input is called Getline. In order to use Getline, you need to include the string library. So do hashtag include string. So I'm going to create a string variable really quick. So say string name. Getline is used for reading in any input that has a space. So say you wanted to do like Thomas space Watson. It will read this whole thing in. Cin will not read this. It will only read up until the space, and then it will leave the rest of this out. So let's do a little statement to tell the user to enter their name. Then let's do, okay, so to write the getline function, you do getline, then you do cin, comma, and then name. So it's telling it that it wants to input from keyboard, and then it's telling it that it wants to put that input into the name variable. So to show that it works, we're going to do cout name. We're going to run it. So you enter your name, Thomas Watson. And then you can see it read it into name and printed it out. In the next video, I'm going to talk about mathematical expressions and how to use C++ to create mathematical expressions. Thank you.